fans. My name is Eugene Stuart. I'm a middle blocker from Nassau, Bahamas. I'm very excited to be here. I'm excited to work hard and help us to achieve this championship this year. I heard about the team last year, and I know that they're very successful, and I've heard about the program, the coach, so I'm very excited to work hard this year and help us achieve our goals. First impression, I like the city of Kaštela, I like the city of Split. I arrived yesterday, so I'm still a bit jet lagged, but nonetheless I like it here and I'm very excited, like I said before. So my expectations are to work hard, to get a full experience of Croatia. I want to enjoy this time here and I want to win championship this year. My message is to you to support us all season, to come out and watch the games. We're going to have a lot of fun, we're going to work hard, we're going to win almost every game. That's what we're going to do.